Hi everyone.
वेलकम टू आवर चैनल.
Welcome to another video. So हमने कभी भी ये टाइप का वीडियो नहीं किया है. This
Not
is
on
kind
this
of
channel.
not on this channel. It's gonna be a mixture of a vlog,
Yeah,
but also a little bit of like home decor.
kind of, yeah.
It's a little bit all over the place. So you've read the title. Basically, our studio has 3 rooms, one of which room is Aditya's room, but for the longest time it's been a storeroom.
Yes, जिसमें we used to dump anything and everything.
Correct.
So अभी finally we've decided कि बस हो गया, अब इसको store room नहीं रखना है. Now we will properly make it into a room where I can sit as like my office.
Correct. So basically, in this vlog, you're going to be seeing us putting together this room. The first half is us, both of us together decorating it. And then the second half, I decided to decorate it and surprise Aditya.
Decorating में मैं नहीं आता हूँ, मैं cleaning out में आता हूँ. मतलब first half में I am helping in the clearing out. उसके बाद decoration is completely that what she does.
Correct. So I think let's just start off with Aditya explaining what his dream man cave looks like.
ठीक है, चलो. So first of all, I want to go for a very neutral tone. I don't want like a lot of colors. Main should be like white or brown, like वो एकदम wooden brown आता है ना जो calming है. So something on those lines for the main part of it. बाकी I want एक obviously desk with a chair और उसके आसपास मतलब shelves और थोड़ा office stationery type एकदम you know office feel देने के लिए एक लाउंजर चाहिए थोड़ा सजेस्ट कभी चाहिए
सो पाए दोपहर को Aditya.
लेट जाने के लिए जरा. बाकी तो नथिंग, स्पेस टू डिस्प्ले माय शूज, माय हैरी पॉटर थिंग्स, माय पोकेमॉन कलेक्शन काइंड ऑफ, वो सब जो मेरे कलेक्टेबल्स है वो, और बुक्स. बस उतना मेरा वो सब चीजें थोड़ा डिस्प्ले होना चाहिए ताकि थोड़ा एस्थेटिक लगे मेरा भी रूम.
So basically, मैंने जब ये सुना आदित्य की ये लिस्ट, I was shook because I had put together a mood board,
हाँ.
which looks like this, which is basically contrast में of what Aditya asked for. But nonetheless, I love his mood board because this is so my style. So over the years, you've developed great taste.
Oh my god, thanks. Credits goes to you.
So anyway, enjoy this very chaotic vlog. Okay, so the day is finally here.
Finally.
Today, we're going to be doing the dirty work. We're going to be cleaning the room that we've transformed into a storeroom essentially. So, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है personally कि we'll be able to get the whole thing done today. Like clean up.
Difficult because there's a lot of unnecessary things in there.
हाँ.
वो segregation में काफी time जाएगा.
But also we have a lot of people helping us. We have like 8 sets of hair. Hands. 2 sets, 4... 8 sets of hands helping us. So I think we should be able to do it. Right now it is 2 p.m. I think by 7 we should be done.
7. Okay. We'll
5 hours.
Yeah, we'll update you guys at 7 कि क्या हुआ है तब तक.
Let's go. I don't even know where to start. Look what I found.
ये सिर्फ टूटा कि नहीं देखना था तो उसके बहाने
अभी मैं पहन के ही काम करूंगी.
भाई हो गया तेरा.
Reality check.
Look, extinct specimens. बाकी सब जल गए. These are the last of us.
I'm laughing because I'm laughing in pain.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
And this is the after like 4 hours. Not bad. थोड़ा सा सामान है हमारे पास, ये सब डेकोर का सामान है. And then most of this is Aditya's stuff that we want to use in the room. But I would say great end to day 1.
की आंखें निकलती है तो लेके जाते कैरेमल को लगा देंगे.
कैरमल की एक आंख गिर गई है. The table, bro, this is so cool.
Wow, love this.
चाहिए तो चाहिए.
हम नहीं है बट फैंसी मत है.
Hi guys, checking in after quite some time. As you can see, we've made a little bit of progress after the IKEA trip. But ever since we're back from IKEA, which was 2 weeks ago, we had again managed to trash this place. Like फिर से स्टोर रूम बन गया था ये, but thankfully आज सुबह clear out हो गया. Like इतना time नहीं लगा. But आज मुझे mostly I want to say like I want to be done 70% with this room. I feel like a lot of it is already done, but there are a lot of things still left, obviously. Like I really want to organize this back here. I think about it every single day. I've been so excited to like put all of the books. Basically, the idea is that पीछे का जो पूरा area है वो आदित्य and I really love books and love reading. So we really wanted to have like a library corner of sorts, and we have so many books that have been sitting in a suitcase since like at least 6 months, I believe. So it's finally time to bring them out and beautifully decorate them. I think I'm gonna start off by building a lamp. That's the only thing from IKEA that I can do. I've done it in the past, so I'm hoping this one will be easy. And then we'll get on with the shelves. Adi, what do you think about how your room is looking so far?
So अभी तक जितना हुआ है, I think it looks amazing. It looks very
Yeah.
pretty, very aesthetic.
Is it according to what you had in mind?
Yes, exactly. I think the color tone matches what I had in mind. I wanted a very nice, plain brown tone, not very loud, because I already have a lot of things that are very colorful. So the furniture has
Which
to be,
I'm not sure if we'll use.
which will be used. And I think as of now it looks good. There's still a lot of things to be done.
Yeah, I personally love how it's looking so far, and I also will be using.
No,
this
you're not
room.
allowed to hijack this room.
Sometimes I can, but I love. मतलब बहुत ही मेरा aesthetic का room बना. I'm so glad that you're developed that awesome taste like me.
Yes, I have developed an awesome taste all by myself.
So हमने ये already discuss कर चुके, but from this point you're not gonna be able to enter your room anymore. Because I want to be able to give him a surprise, but also like मुझे from scratch surprise नहीं देना था. Like I
हाँ.
wanted his inputs on like the major things.
Yeah. So we've decided on the basic layout of the room and क्या कहाँ पे जाएगा, but
हाँ.
how it's going to be executed is now.
Yeah, like the final look. आदित्य के रूम में अभी तक एक chair या like he wanted like a lounger situation वो भी नहीं है. So most probably वो भी मैं ही order करूँगी. So that will be like a big surprise, and then obviously पूरा decor बाकी है
Yeah.
पीछे. So we'll be doing that.
I just hope to see my pieces also and not find them in the trash somewhere.
Trash में तो नहीं डालूंगी.
मतलब वही माले पे जो बॉक्स डालते हैं उसमें तो नहीं जाए.
Let's see. It's just that आदित्य का जो सामान है उसके collectibles are just very colorful and very kiddish.
Yeah.
And I don't want this room to become very like बच्चों का room नहीं लगना चाहिए, kids room
One
नहीं
shelf,
लगना चाहिए.
one shelf पूरा for me.
ठीक है, देखते हैं. I'm gonna try to like incorporate it, but he has some really cool things, so I want to obviously add those as well.
Yes, and I'm still going to get a lot more cool things also.
Yeah, sure. Chalo, bye.
Bye guys. Bye room. I'll see you once you're done.
We are making progress for sure, but I really dislike these doors, like the color of the door. So we're gonna do wallpapers on both of them, like how we've done on the rest of the house. I don't even know what, but we're almost towards the end. We're adding the carpet. We're not sure where. खरीद तो लिया है हमने कारपेट, बट अभी कहाँ जाएगा या जाएगा भी कि नहीं, वी डोंट नो. Five months later, and we're almost finally done. Today, I'm gonna say it out loud. Today is my last day of spending any more time and energy on this room. I'm dedicating my entire day to bringing this room together. As you can see, it's for the most part ready, but I want to do a few DIYs to just tie the whole room together. So let's do that today, and hopefully I can give the grand reveal to Aditya before his birthday. So ये वाला जो area है, I want to kind of transform it into like a sneaker storage situation. And then यहाँ पे we'll see. Honestly, I don't know. I have a few different things that I want to like display. I don't want to actually. Aditya really wants me to. So we're gonna use a few of his collectibles and do that here. So shoes ऐसे तो नहीं रहेंगे. I think we'll have to keep it either fully flat or at an angle. Okay, I take back what I said about the little collectibles. I think it looks so cute. So I've used these transparent acrylic stands that I use for my perfumes to give more height and display everything in Aditya's collection. Really cute Pokemon shrine. I think he's gonna love it. Okay, so styling is done, like decorating the shelves and like putting everything nicely. I've like reorganized the whole shelf and I really like how it looks. Now it's time for DIYing. Aditya has a huge collection of Pokemon cards. So I've asked him to give me a few so that I can use them kind of like decor without ruining them, of course, because they're very valuable is what I've heard like 10 times from him. So वो करना है. और क्या करना है? Honestly, we're like done. I am really happy, but I'm also very sad because I have been spending so much time in this room and this room is so comfy. Like I cannot tell you, like this chair. There's another thing that you guys saw actually already. It's like a lounger, which is also so comfy. So this room is no longer gonna be mine to do whatever I want to, but that's fine. I really hope that Aditya will enjoy this room. I know he will actually. So ये है Aditya के Pokemon cards. I thought that we could display them, kind of make like a collage जैसे Polaroids का बनाते हैं वैसे, but with Pokemon cards. So that's what I'm just trying to place these, and I'm going to be using ये masking tape, very little of it, so that the cards don't get ruined. So I follow a lot of interior pages and they always say how lighting can make the biggest difference. So since we're going all out for Aditya's room, we're going to be adding lights also. So IKEA से वो क्या बोलते हैं motion sensor वाली lights है, and I want to add them like here so that like during the evening or night this room feels even more cozy. It's like a yellow light. I'm gonna add it to the shoe section also to like really highlight it. So they give you these glue tab things that you just remove, and then यहाँ पे button to switch it on. So this is the light. Ideally अंदर की तरफ होना चाहिए light. यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा इधर ले रही हूँ मैं. Center है?
हाँ, थोड़ा left में ले. Yes.
I'm not a big fan of this being seen, but I mean, obviously दिखेगा ये, वो कुछ option नहीं. By the way, इसमें auto mode भी है, so motion sensor कर सकते हो, or you can just keep it on simple on or off. Okay, so this might be a bit much, but I have this little space right here, which is a little empty. So I'm thinking maybe a plant, maybe. नहीं हुआ too much लगा तो मैं हटा दूंगी. I do tend to overcomplicate things, but I do tend to also overcrowd things when like I'm doing decor. Like minimal, I like to think of myself in the head, but I'm actually a maximalist, I think, when it comes to decor. So let's see how it looks. We can always remove it if it doesn't look good here. By the way, did I mention that I got this plant from Mason Homes? So Mason Homes, अगर आप ढूंढ रहे हो a place to buy fake plants, the variety that they have is insane, and they keep updating new different types of plants that they have. I already own 2 fake plants from them and I love them. They're so nice, and not very expensive, little expensive, but I feel like this is like a one-time thing. Like you buy it, it's literally plastic, it's gonna last you forever if you take care of it. Please don't comment down below and tell me how I shouldn't buy these fake plants and buy real plants. I've tried buying real plants and I just end up killing the plants because I'm traveling and I just don't have a green thumb also. So these fake plants for me are the way to go for now. इस बार मैंने Mason Homes से एक वेज भी मंगवाया है. ये प्लास्टिक का निकला, मुझे लगा सिरेमिक का आएगा. Okay, so a great idea for like personalization is obviously photo frames are great to display pictures, but then you can also get printout. So basically एक Harry Potter का quote है, then this is a quote from Aditya's favorite book, and then this is like a Marvel reference. So I feel like it's very subtle, but it's very personal. The day is finally here. I think it's been 5 months since we started this project. It's finally done. I love the way it's looking. I really hope that Aditya likes it. He'll be here any second. I'm so excited to see his reaction.
वाह 9 महीने बाद निकला है बच्चा, मतलब मेरा रूम रेडी हो गया
9 महीना नहीं हुआ,
भाई। अगस्त से अभी मई आ गया,
बट हमने स्टार्ट किया प्रोजेक्ट
जो भी
जैन
है,
में.
मुझे रूम 9 महीने बाद मिली है।
अभी इधर खड़ा रहे.
सो एक एक्सपीरियंस है मुझे 9 महीने रुकने का।
Are you ready?
नहीं, wait. वो ये दो बाकी है.
Okay.
1 2 3 वो मैं टर्न बाय टर्न साइड बाय साइड देखूंगा।
Yeah.
ये तो फैब लग रहा है, ये बेस्ट है ऑफ कोर्स। लवली क्लास। ओह क्या क्लास लग रहा है मैम, ये तो बेस्ट है, ये तो मस्त। अपना ये साथ में देखा था
चेयर मुझे पता नहीं था क्या चेयर आ रहा है. You're seeing it for the first
ये
time.
हाँ मतलब वी हैड डिस्कस कैसे लाउंज में
Yeah.
रखना है। ये देखा है, दिस इज नाइस, लुक्स कंफर्टेबल एंड आई फिगर्ड व्हाई यू वर lounging here all these many months. Oh wow.
एक मेन
Oh.
DIY moment.
भाई साहब क्लास, बेस्ट यूज ऑफ माय पोकेमोन कार्ड्स। ये लग रहा है भाई बहुत मस्त किया।
Thank you. So this is what the room looks like, dimly lit. Okay, but I want to give you guys a proper tour of like क्यों क्या कैसे to you also, but let's do it in natural light.
ओके एक्सप्लेनेशन टूर।
Yeah, so आदित्य को और आपको भी मैं एक टूर दे देती हूँ, even though I feel like you guys have seen a lot of it already. So basically this is the bookshelf area. Aditya and I have always spoken about how we wanted like a library at
Yeah.
home, area where we could like display all of our books. So we have all of our books basically at this point. Aditya की Tinkle की little comic books भी मैंने नीचे रखी है. Please tell me you recognize this.
ऑफ कोर्स, कम ऑन, दिस इज द ग्रेटेस्ट कोट ऑफ ऑल टाइम, आयरन मैन का।
Correct. And then एक Hogwarts का भी मैंने डाला है. Read it out loud, please.
Don't let your fear of what could happen make nothing happen.
And then तेरा wand भी मैंने display पे रखा है because he wanted his wand.
Yeah.
ठीक है. So that's that. And then of course थोड़ा सा books से separate करके we have the shoes. Aditya did want his sneakers on display of sorts. A lot of them are नीचे, सिर्फ जो सुंदर वाले हो मैंने ऊपर display पे रखे हैं.
नहीं मुझे ये सुंदर नहीं लगा तो नए 2 लेने पड़ेंगे तो।
To replace it.
हाँ।
So ideally मुझे यहाँ पर कुछ seating करना था, but then it just
Yeah.
wouldn't make sense.
नहीं थोड़ा फ्री स्पेस रहने दो। अभी रोज दोपहर को मैं इधर ही मिलूंगा 2 से 4 नैप टाइम।
So यहाँ पे मैंने एक टेबल भी रखा है for you, like in case you wanna like like have snacks or like keep your laptop, watch something. आदित्य को एक lounge chair चाहिए थी, and this is the best chair. It is so comfy. I'm gonna miss being in this room.
नहीं तो जैसा बैन नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं, आ सकते कभी कभार।
Yeah, I feel like this is the best corner of the room. ऊपर can you explain the little poster?
This is the Morida's map from Harry Potter. क्या एक्सप्लेन करूं, जिसने देखा उसको मालूम है, जिसने नहीं देखा हैरी पॉटर देखो।
What do you think of your desk area?
मस्त है, नाइस।
So basically आदित्य को ये एक area चाहिए था where he could like scribble. So शिखर, Aditya's best friend, also has this and
मैं
wanted
one of
to
the best
copy
friends बोल, बाकी लोग चिढ़ जाते
one
हैं।
of his best friends उसके भी रूम में ऐसा एक है. So he also wanted the same thing. So we have that. But मैंने बहुत simple रखा है honestly
हाँ,
because
I
too
wanted
much
simple.
clutter नहीं करना था. ऊपर है हमारे play buttons.
जिसमें से मेरा वाले का नाम ही गया है और उसमें मेरा ही नाम गया, मृदुल पूरा लिखा है, मेरा ही नाम गया है। आइस्ड अमेरिकानो।
One last thing about the desk. Can you open that please?
Wow, fully stocked mini, I would like to say bar, but there's no bar items here. So just snacks,
Healthy.
snack bar.
Healthy snacks. एक भी unhealthy snack मैंने try किया है नहीं रखने का.
ठीक है ना, अभी मैं आ गया, अभी मैं रखूंगा।
Cool.
एक चीज मिसिंग है यहाँ पे, मेरे डेस्क पे तेरा फोटो नहीं है।
और वहाँ पे रखा है ना, मैंने डाला है.
नहीं, सिर्फ तेरा एक यहाँ पे ऐसा
Okay,
होना
so you
चाहिए।
add it.
लवली। वो झाड़ भी रखा, मैंने बोला मुझे एक झाड़ चाहिए था रूम में। नाइस।
I've tried to keep आदित्य के सारे requests in mind.
बहुत ही सुंदर बना है। I would give this 100 out of 100।
I'm glad. And I guess with that we are finally done.
फाइनली मुझे मेरा रूम मिल गया है।
The third room of our studio, which was a store room for the longest time, is finally a proper room. And I will say this is my new favorite.
Oh yeah, it's too bad, but yeah.
It's not mine, but I'm definitely going to be spending a lot of time here.
When I'm not there, it's yours.
Anyway, I hope that you like this video.
I love the room.
Room, like this
They
room.
like the video. I like the room.
Room, yeah, and it came right in time, right before Aditya's birthday.
Yes.
Consider this a birthday gift from my end. One of them.
ठीक है, ठीक है। बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत सुंदर बनाया है। Everything has been done very, very nicely, very specific to my requests and everything. So I'm very happy.
Great. Everything that we can link, we'll link it down below in case you guys liked anything. सब कुछ नीचे होगा, description box check करना. And that's it. We'll see you in our next video.
Bye.
Wow, welcome to my room.
भाई मैंने देखा हुआ वैसे
सबने तुझे छोड़ के सबने देखा था ये लोग.
मस्त अभी वैसे देख ओह वाओ अटैची
It's his dada's.
करना तो पेंट करके लगाना है।
Do you see Adi has
Paint
copied
होगा.
you?
मैं तो तभी बोल रहा था।
वाओ ये न्यू बैलेंस मस्त लग रहा है
वैसे हमने फर्स्ट लुक देखा हुआ है
सबने देखा हुआ है.
नहीं ये फर्स्ट टाइम देखा हूं दिस इज लुकिंग सेक्सी आई हैव वन आउट ऑफ नहीं आई हैव टू आउट ऑफ
क्या
द
प्यारे शूज है पोकेमॉन कलेक्शन सबसे बेस्ट
इधर इधर
किधर है?
इधर इधर पीछे इधर इधर. अच्छा नो इग्नोर्ड. इधर इधर.
ओह माय गॉड पोकेमॉन कार्ड्स वो पोकेमॉन कार्ड्स का कलेक्शन है पोकेमॉन का नहीं वाह
Wow. Oh wow, what a lovely cabinet.
मेरे को तो ये शूज वाला
एकदम यूरोपियन स्टाइल लग रहा है. Oh wow. What a study table. I mean working desk.
हाँ, work desk.
मस्त. ये नया गिफ्ट.
हाँ, ये नया वाला।
शूज क्या अरेंज किए हैं एकदम. मास्टरपीस. अरे वाह.
क्या बात है?
शूज भी
हाँ.
क्या बात है
ऊपर देखो वो दो सूटकेस दादा के.
अरे बाप रे वीआईपी
और पीछे उधर पोकेमॉन कार्ड्स है लेफ्ट साइड में डोर के पीछे.
अच्छा
वो डिस्प्ले पे लगा है.
क्लास अच्छा उसको इंडिविजुअल निकाल के फ्रेमिंग किया
हाँ.
मस्त बना है
मस्त बना है
थैंक यू.